Hello everyone, this is Mahima Singh, legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today we'll talk about the case of Baluram versus Chelatha. First, the Supreme Court in Baluram versus Chelatha stated the provision of Order 1 Rule 10 in which provide the dominus litis of proper or necessary parties. A case was filed in the Court of District Judge Kanyakumari is that K. Jagadish and R. Subharam Babu acting as trustees of Subhaya Panikar Family Welfare Trust entered into the agreement dated 9 December 2003 to sell the suit property in favor of Jaya Chandra Reddy and Srimati Bharti. The price of the property was settled at the rupees 22,000 per cent. A sum of rupees 1 lakh was received as advance. They claimed to be owners of the entire property. Baluram filed an application under Order 1 Rule 10 Sub-Rule 2 of the CPC contending that they are the co-owners of the property. The application was opposed by Subharam Babu, submitting that the Baluram was a stranger to the agreement and was not a necessary or proper party. The trial court accepted the application. It held the Baluram was not a stranger to the subject matter of dispute and was entitled to be pleaded as a party. The trial court observed every member who is having interest and right should be given an opportunity of being heard, and the court must see whether subject matter would be factually adjudicated upon in the absence of proposed parties in a case where the property belonged to YMCA, a public trust. Aggrieved by the order of trial court, Jaya Chandra Reddy preferred a revision petition under Article 227 of the Constitution before the High Court with the plea that the Baluram was not a necessary or proper party. Thus, the order of the trial court in pleading him as a party defendant was erroneous. The High Court upheld the plea of Jaya Chandra Reddy and dismissed the plea filed by the Baluram in the suit filed by Jaya Chandra Reddy. It was further observed that since suit property is trust property, the trial court can look into the relevant provision of law and examine whether permission of the court was required before entering into the sale agreement. Aggrieved by the order of the High Court, Baluram approached Supreme Court. Supreme Court held that after due consideration of rival submission, we are of the view that the High Court erred in the interfering with the order of the trial court in pleading Baluram as a party defendant, admittingly beneficiary trust and under the provision of the Trust Act. The Supreme Court further said that the Baluram cannot thus be treated as stranger. Order 1 Rule 1020 CPC enables the court to add necessary and proper party so as to effectually and completely adjudicate upon and settle all the questions involved in the suit. Accordingly, Supreme Court allowed the appeal, set aside the imposed order of the High Court and restored that the trial court dated 10th August 2010 in pleading the Baluram as a party defendant in the suit. Thank you.